Good morning to you. Welcome to the morning shift. I'm enjoying the beautiful weather in my backyard. I'm sitting here with my dog. He's right here. There he is, Rusty Roo, and just being grateful for the beauty of the weather here in Phoenix area. Today I want to talk about small steps. I think I learned this over the weekend. I went to a fabulous retreat with Desert Moon Endeavors, which is run by the amazing Janice Jakes. And she put together an awesome weekend of learning and growth and introspection. I cried a lot. That's why my eyes are all puffy. Uh, but I learned a lot and I had a lot of fun too. And had amazing food that was very healthy and did some incredible yoga and did some work on the Enneagram, some just really interesting, cool stuff. So look them up on Facebook, Desert Moon Endeavors, and it was called Spring Cleaning for the Soul. And I did some spring cleaning for my soul. So I want to talk about something that a girl named Maya taught us. She talked about stepping stones, and that we need to be sure when we're making change. Change is about changing your habits because all of our behavior is habitual generally. And so, what you need to do when you're changing your habits is to try to find a way to find as little resistance as possible, because when you find that resistance is when you're going to find yourself not doing the change. So I thought that was brilliant. And she says, when you ask yourself some questions like, can I eat like this? And you say yes. And can I eat like this? And you say yes. And then you say, can I eliminate this? And you say yes. And can I eliminate that? And I don't know. That's where you need to back off. So she called it the wobble, which I thought was brilliant. And you pull back from there and go where you don't have resistance, but there's a bit of change. So my suggestion would be to test yourself. And this could go for anything: food, exercise, habitual behavior, drinking, studying, trying to get things done. So I think you need to find ways to not resist, because when you resist, then comes procrastination and sometimes failure. So you want to have success, and once you have a little bit of success, you feel good and you move on from there. So you'll continue to make little incremental changes. I think sometimes we put that big C goal up there, and then we need to do that and keep our eyes on that prize. But sometimes that can paralyze you, and you'll suddenly find yourself not doing anything because you think, well, what's the difference? Because I'm never going to get there. So, which is a mistake, of course, but I think we need to just be reasonable and make small changes, because those little small changes over and over and over again, suddenly you're going to look back and go, oh, look how far I've come. So take some baby steps today. Do something small to create some change in your life, and you'll find that it makes big change in the long run. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.